After how many consistent months should I become a full-time trader? So it's a really good question, and it's obviously a good problem to have, right? If you're being consistent in the markets and you're actually able to produce income from it, then you're in a really good spot, right? You've moved into, stage 5 of a trader, and it's a good problem to have. It's a good place to be. Now, to answer the question, it's going to come about with a couple of extra problems, right? Once you quit that 9-to-5 job, then trading becomes your sole income source. And when trading is your sole income source, it's probably going to lead you to revert back to some habits in which you used to have. So the way in which I would look at this is I would take the money in which you're making from your 9-to-5 job and I would put that somewhere else. And what I would try and do for a couple of months after you've been consistent, like you say, is try to live off of your trading income as opposed to your 9-to-5 job, right? You still have your job, you still have that cash flow coming in from your 9-to-5 job or whatever it might be, and you still have your trading that you're now using to pay your bills, eat off of, live off of, and that's going to give you a good idea of, hey, did I introduce any new bad habits to my trading that I need to correct before I actually go quit my job and make this a full-time thing?